and welcome grade 10s to the Vectors and Scalars task video. Pause the playback if you need time to copy questions or to write out your solutions. Let's start with the questions. Question 1. State whether each of these is a vector or scalar quantity. A distance of 2 meters. A force of 35 newtons acting 30 degrees west of north. A displacement of 3 meters per second on a bearing of 115 degrees. 55 seconds. 4 meters per second. 165 meters north. How long should a line be to represent 19 newtons if you use each of these scales? 1 centimeter to 2 newtons, 1 centimeter to 3 newtons, and 1 centimeter to 5 newtons. Here's a new question. Find the total distance travelled from A to B to C to D to E in this journey. Remember that you can find this diagram and all the questions in the series guide called A Guide to Vectors and Scalars. What is the displacement in the journey given in 3.1 if the start of the journey was going east? Give the definition for resultant force. Find the resultant of these forces. Take right as the positive direction. 2 newtons right, 7 newtons right. 4 newtons right, 12 newtons left. 12 newtons left, 16 newtons left. 3 newtons right, 6 newtons left, 15 newtons right, 8 newtons left. 16 newtons left, 24 newtons right, 30 newtons left. Determine the resultant of these vectors using a scale diagram. Determine the resultant of this vector using a scale diagram. That brings us to the end of the task video. Thank you for joining us for this series on Vectors and Scalars grade 10s. If you had any problems with these questions, please watch the other videos in the series on vectors for more help. And make use of the series guide, which you can find on the Mindset website. Goodbye.